approaching my last days on the property. I lit a fire to burn all my paper rubbish, and instead of wasting it, I decided to cook some rice. It's a lovely little thing to do. Yeah. Last minute, gathering all the little bits, throwing away, storing what to take in suitcases. Always aware how much one mustn't take. It's so easy to find things anywhere, except for personal things, of course, because I stopped just enough to read Miyakamura, where she talks about the nature, the extraordinary nature of simple things, everyday things. So on that basis, I'm making my mind up about what I really need with me and what I don't need with me as I take off on another journey.